In this video, I'll show you how to convert a solid body into a sheet metal part in just a few steps. This is the solid body that I want to convert into sheet metal. I'll start by using the shell command and selecting the faces I want to remove. For this example, I'll set the wall thickness to 5 mm. If needed, you can also add fillets to the edges of the solid body. The next important step is to define the inside and outside bend radii. For this example, I'll set the inside radius to 5 mm. Since the sheet thickness is 5 mm, the outside radius will be 5 plus 5, which equals 10 mm. You can also add holes at this stage, depending on your design requirements. To convert the solid body into sheet metal, go to the Sheet Metal tab, click Convert to Sheet Metal, and then select the body. Next, we need to create a rip on the sheet metal. Set the gap and offset values as required. Finally, we need to create a flat pattern from our design. When you're finished working with the flat pattern, click Finish Flat Pattern to return to the design. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please let me know by leaving a like or a comment. Your feedback helps me know that you'd like to see more videos like this.